Good morning, everybody. We are back. It's cloudy outside today, but it is nice nonetheless. Who do we have first in the chat today? We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S, Frank. What's going on? T, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Nigef. Good morning to you, Nigef. We've got Dark Bro, Moji, Robert, Dark Bro, Moji, Frank, Dark Bro, Robert, Hemi Life. All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here. Let's check the market out and see what is going on. CD Wit. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting up about 0.5% today, $8.39 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin, my goodness. Have you ever seen anything so stagnant? I mean, look at this. This is something you don't buy. It's just the volume's way too low. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 719 points per coin. GameStop 1475. It is down once again today. Bitcoin actually given back a lot of its gains. Bitcoin was doing very well this morning, above 28,000, and has fallen pretty quick, back down to $27,585. The Nasdaq down 0.75% this morning to 13,136 points. Dogecoin sitting at 6.08 points per coin. Ethereum 1619. Ethereum's coming back down to the 15 range, guys. Shib sitting at 720. Bitcoin 27,588. The SPY sitting at 422. QQQ 356. QQQ's down 1%. We got Mullen Auto down 5%, 45 cents a share. Sundial sitting at $1.70. Netflix $369. Highcroft Mining 26.89 cents. Highcroft Mining, is it a new low? What was it yesterday? 26 flat. All right, 26.01 yesterday, 26.89 right now on Highcroft Mining. MPW 523, Tesla 259, bouncing back up off those 256 lows right there. Tesla, man, look at this volatile action in Tesla. 263 all the way down to 256, back up to 259. Tesla's having a pretty interesting day today. Joby sitting at 627, TMC sitting at 91.7 cents. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen right now. It is at $27,600. Good morning to you, Robert. What's your take on WSM? Interesting. So my previous take on WSM, Wall Street memes, it was that as soon as the launch happened and as soon as these tokens became unlocked, you would see massive price dilution and massive, I guess, correction in the prices. We've not yet actually seen that. I believe WSM is trading at like 5.1 or 5 cents per coin. Let's take a look at it and see where we're at here. No, I got to click on this one. Really? Did that pull? All right, there we go. This is the Powerball. Nobody won the Powerball, guys. Look at this. Nobody won the Powerball, so it's at $1.4 billion. That is insane. You want to become a billionaire? Go grab the Powerball for, what is it, Saturday's drawing. Oh, my goodness, man. Saturday's drawing, $1.4 billion. We might have to do another Discord draw there because that is nuts. Tectonic showing a little bit of volatility here, but we're not looking at Tectonic. We're going to be looking at WSM. Wall Street meme, 5.1 cents right now. Yep. It is down 6% on the day today, and it is getting listed on more and more exchanges. Here's one thing you got to keep in mind, though. Look at the 7-day. Look at the volume over the 7-day. Did very well as the price was rising to that 6, 7, almost 8 cent level. And volume has been steadily declining since 2 days ago. So you got to watch out for that. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you right now, guys, I'm going to try and stay a little bit calmer today. Because last night my allergies were so terrible. And if I start moving my nose around, it is going to get horrible. Like, it was so bad last night, there's no way I would be able to do a live stream if my allergies kick up. It looks blurry. If my allergies kick up the way they were yesterday, there's no way I'll be able to do a live. So yeah, I'm going to try and stay as calm as possible on those allergies. But what we're looking at with Wall Street memes here is actually, prices being supported. I thought for sure when this coin was launched, we were going to see massive declines. But people are actually holding. Now, one thing you got to know, they are being promised 40% annualized returns for staking. 40% annualized returns are not going to be, they're not going to be able to keep that up. So please watch out for those promised returns. But let's take a look at the website. I've actually never looked at their website here. So let's check it out. Wall Street memes, ladies and gentlemen. You got your staking. Estimated 45% rewards. 45% rewards right here. That is crazy. 75 current rewards are 75 per block. I don't know if that's 75 WSM per block or what, but that's crazy there. Percentage of the pool stake, there's 448 million WSM currently staked right now. That's a lot of money, man. That's a lot of money at 5 cents. Yeah. That is, well, what's 1/20th? 1/10 is going to be 448 million. That's like $20 million that they've got staked right there. So it is a lot. Total supply. All right, this is what you're looking at. The rewards are going to go up, okay, as time goes on. And the total supply of, what is this, 2 billion is unlocked. Man. Let's see what they got here. How to buy token. I want to see the tokenomics. $1 million plus community. I don't know about that. 40 million plus impressions per month. Okay. And unlimited memes. Great. I want to see your tokenomics, man. Okay, well, you got any tokenomics on here? Dang. $50% goes to marketing? These guys need to pay me, man. WSM in the media. Nice media, man. Oh boy. 2 billion total supply. Dude, I think it could reach $1. I mean, $2 billion. Pepe was at $1.7 billion. So, yeah, I don't know. I think they got way too much set aside for marketing, but, you know, a lot of people are going to be able to earn if they're getting into WSM there. Let's see. Morning, everybody. Let's get started. Gen G, what's going on? I would give $1 billion to the homeless if I win. Not. Yeah, dude. Don't do it, roulette wheel. Don't give $1 billion to the homeless. It's all right. Nobody has to give $1 billion to the homeless. Screw power. All real question is when bro coin launch. Got money burning a hole in my pockets. Ken, technically tomorrow, but I'd maybe wait until Monday. I didn't know what Ken said there. Wait, what date can you sell off yield max and still get the dividends? There, Frank answered your question. So I didn't know when the ex-dividend date was. So technically, I guess if you own it tomorrow, right, you could sell it tomorrow, but Frank's saying technically wait until Monday just to be safe and not really worry about anything there. So if you own it through the ex-dividend date, you should be good. Thanks, Frank. Absolutely. Just sold a bunch of meme coins that weren't performing and tossed it all into Sexcoin for a little 20% gain in 1 minute. Combo. I love it, man. Dude, Combo was killing it on MEXC. Did you just call me Mom, Dark Bro? I didn't. Dark Bro may have. Clear Bro sold 27 shares of a GUI, that's the Google Yield Max, and $217 worth of NVIDIA to buy 52 shares of Coney for their $1.10 per share dividend. It's a solid dividend, man. That's a solid dividend. Are they still trading at like 20 bucks? That's a solid dividend. Yeah, $19. $1 dividend. Man, that is near 100%. That's a pretty solid dividend on Coney there. You guys can't see it, but they're traded at $19.32, and they got a $1.10 dividend coming. Frank, man, very nicely done on that one. He did, you mother. Oh, man. Everybody's a mother, aren't they? Everybody's a mother lover. Rivian electric vehicle auto is down 20%. D, let's check it out. Looks like Bernie Madoff's financial planner. Yeah, it does. Is Chase Bank really accepting XRP on mortgage payments? Bree guy. I've not seen an article, but quite possibly. So we can look at... Well, let's just look at that real quick. I mean, supposedly. Yeah, you even got articles on Binance here talking about it as well. So, yeah, you can see here that... Well, you can see all the headlines. Latest banking giant to embrace XRP and Shib payments. Chase Bank partners with FCF Pay to accept cryptocurrency for financial services. Oh my gosh. Buyinvesting.com. Shibdo's Bitcoin can now be used to payments to make millions of Chase Bank clients. Great. Here's the thing though, man. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to see a huge increase in the price of Shib, XRP, and so on. It's just an added utility that banks are now trying to load up on cryptocurrency, guys. Please keep that in mind. These banks want these assets, and they know these assets are going to increase in value. We might stay, I don't know, we might stay a little camera this whole time. I'm dying here. Rivian, let's pull up Rivian real quick because that is a huge decline. Down, wow, 20% today. That is a huge decline. 20% loss in Rivian today. Very large loss. Down to $19 per share. And this is pretty critical. So if you're looking at this is the daily chart. Rivian breaking down through this very, very strong level of support in this area right in here. So if it breaks down through this level, you might not find support again. You've got a little bit right here at $18 that was formed back in February of 2023. But you might not find support again until $16, potentially all the way down to $11. So these are the two levels I'd be looking out for with a little tiny 1, 2, 3 day period of support in this area right here at about 18 to 18.50. Rivian, man, has done nothing but come down since it was IPO'd. Bottoming out at $11, but falling all the way from $179 to $19. That is a 90% decline in the price of Rivian so far. $1 billion to homeless would be a great tax write-off. Yeah, but you would probably have to... You can't just give out $1 billion to the homeless and expect to write that off. I don't think that they're going to be... I don't think that... I don't think the government's going to be too willing to accept the fact that you just said, I gave $1 billion to homeless. So if they did, and you don't need a receipt for it, I love it, man. I'd say I gave $1 billion to homeless every year. Hey, go ahead and launch the Bro brand and sell the Shiba clothes and shoes. Take advantage of the Shiba community to boost your brand and start Bro Coin and incorporate a burning for your coin and Shib. Hemi Life, that is my focus, man. I've got a thing in the notes section on my phone here. I've been trying to plan something out to be able to increase some content across platforms, posting more, more actively on TikTok, X, Instagram Reels, and so on, trying to increase the range of the audience, and merch is in that section there. I've got everything set up with the Amazon merch account is what it's called. Need to get some designs up there. But yeah, it's something I am trying to work towards. I'm telling you, man, I need to get it almost on autopilot because it is time consuming doing lives and 3+ videos and everything else, man. And then just living, making dinner, eating lunch, all of that stuff. It is very time consuming, and I need to find either more hours in the day and taking care of bunnies. I got to tell you guys, The other bunny died last night. Dude, we were literally outside playing not all afternoon, but we were outside playing and during the afternoon. Dude was healthy. Dude was running around. He was doing great. He was nice. I go to feed him that night. Boom, laying on his side, man. It's baby cottontails are the craziest thing that I've ever seen. So one of them is left. One of them is strong. One of them ate like a horse last night and this morning. So hopefully he continues to be strong as well. But it's just wild, man, that they can literally eat like nothing's wrong. They can play like nothing's wrong. And then boom, gone. Moji. So I haven't seen Stitches in a couple days. And I haven't been feeding the chipmunks as actively. So I put the seeds out on the step there on the patio for them to eat, but I haven't been feeding them by hand because the time that I was taking to feed the chipmunks by hand is now being used to feed the rabbits by hand. So I haven't necessarily seen that. I haven't seen Stitches, but I also know that when I was feeding them, I didn't see Stitches in quite a while after I snipped that thing. So I'm hoping the fact that I haven't seen Stitches, she came over and just like chewed the thing and pulled it off of herself. Because it's pretty obvious that you could see her from like across the yard when she's got the green nylon hanging off of her. So I'm just hoping that she kind of pulled it off of herself when she was grooming herself or whatever. But I've not seen Stitches in probably a week. And I've been dealing with those bunnies for probably a week. So I haven't been able to feed the chipmunks by hand. Transactions on those coins being used to pay bills with some credit and banks would give the coins some good movement. Yeah, but it's not necessarily buy movement. It's just good transactional volume that they'd be seeing. When you sell your merch, tell everyone you're Shitoshi. You would not be lying because everyone is Shitoshi, right? Or was that Ryoshi? Well, but Giovanni, you are correct. So everybody is Ryoshi. You are right on that one. And by default, man, I truly believe that Ryoshi is Shitoshi, right? I believe that Shitoshi made up the story of Ryoshi to get in good with the Shiba Inu coin community. And because Shitoshi is Ryoshi, if I'm Ryoshi, technically I am Shitoshi as well. See, you follow me on that one? I didn't even know one already died. Sorry to hear that, Clay. You did your best. Yeah, so one died yesterday morning, Pika. When I got them, there were 6 of them, and 3 of them had died the very first night. Like, one was gone before I even got him home, and then the 2 were gone by the next morning. So I had 3. 3 of them ate. They drink the milk. 3 of them drank. They were active, moving around, got a lot of rest for an entire week. And then yesterday morning, I woke up, and one of them was dying, pronounced dead at like 9:04, 9:05. And then yesterday afternoon, I played with the other 2. They ate some clover outside. They were bouncing around and moving around. They were happy. And then went to go feed them at 8 o'clock last night. And one just on his side, man. It's ridiculous. These baby bunnies are ridiculous. So there's only 1 left right now. And he seems to be good. He ate like a horse this morning. Very small horse, but a horse nonetheless. And we're going to see how that one plays out. Clay, did you see Shibarium got hacked? I did not see Shibarium got hacked, Claudio. Where did you see that at? Kombu! Dr. Clay Little Animal Rescue Fund. Thank you very much, Kombu, for the super chat. And the Dr. Clay Little. Look, man, I understand how these places become, not overcrowded or whatever, but become full. When you're taking care of these little bunnies and taking care of animals like that, I wonder, these things are so small. I mean, literally, if you had separate dresser drawers, you could dedicate like an entire dresser to just little animals. But it's actually very time-consuming feeding those animals. I cannot comprehend how a mother rabbit can lay over a nest for 5 minutes, and then these baby bunnies get all the nutrients they need in a 5-minute period. Because when I was feeding 3 of them, it took at least an hour to make sure that all 3 of them got fed. Because they drink for a second, then they want to take a break. They drink for a second, then they want to fall asleep. They drink for a second, and then they got to stop. So it is a little strange that a mom can do that all in 5 minutes. And I also think that contributes to the fact that so many baby rabbits die, is that the mom only gives them 5 minutes, and if you don't get the milk, you are done. So, yeah, it's tough, dude. I mean, it would be a full-time job if you had 10, 15 baby rabbits. You'd be feeding rabbits for 8 hours a day, easy. And that's just rabbits. I mean, imagine if you were trying to rescue some other animals as well. How much time will it take for crypto to boom like the internet did? Synth Studio, excellent question. And I believe that crypto is booming, right? But clearly, if only 10% of adults in the United States own and mess around with crypto, more than 10% of adults have accepted and mess around with the internet. So it is going to take quite some time before people become very comfortable with cryptocurrency, and you could be talking decades, right? It's just there's no denying that it's going to take a while for people to trust cryptocurrency. So we're 1 decade in, but I think it could still take 20, 30 years total for the vast majority of people to accept digital money or these blockchain assets. Shitoshi is living in Nigeria cafe. That he might be doing, man. Pay me $1,000, and for 6 months, I'll put your brand on my car and advertise for you. Hemi Life, how many people does your car pass on a daily basis? It's not bad. 6 months? It wouldn't be bad at all if you get a lot of people. Do you have a heating pad for those little hoppers? Yeah, so heating pad is under half of their box right now. And if he gets cold, he can move over to the other half. If he gets warm, or if he gets, he can move over to the other half. If he gets warm, he can move back over to the other half. So, yeah, they got a heating pad on them at all times, man. And I wake up probably 5-6 times a night making sure that the heating pad stays on so that those guys, or now one, can stay warm at all times. See the Lillian Finance re-rugged? Oh my god, Janet, I have not seen that. BRB mowing grass. Pudgy. Make sure it looks good, dude. Straight lines. Clay needs a dog. They're more fun. When I see a rabbit, I don't know whether to pet it or eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, roulette wheel. That's a big no-go. I think Claybro a little below. I think Claybro a little below. Below? Challenge channel. Say it again, man. Hey, better not be getting it's better to not get what? It better to not getting 40 hours because the rain today or getting a 3-day weekend from a job you do. Ooh, is it better to not be getting 40 hours or getting a 3-day weekend? Chris, man, sometimes 3-day weekends are a necessity. Sometimes you just push through them. Theoretically, I've been making videos now every day for the last 3 full years. So what is a weekend, man? Who needs it if you're not getting burnt out? If you love what you're doing, keep on doing it. If you need a break to refresh, absolutely refresh. And it's been on the screen for a minute. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the green name. Looking good. Hemi Life grabbing that green name. And dude, you don't see this very often. Hemi Life grabbing that green name and throwing a thank you out there before anybody else even threw a chat. Hemi Life, thank you very much for saying thank you. And Pika Power, thank you very much for the green name. I love it when everybody in here is green. Looking so good. And Pika, thank you for it. Happy it's a rain day, but we want that money. We do. It's not yet raining here, Chris. Is it going to be raining pretty hard here? I don't want it to rain hard, but it's not yet raining. Thank you, Pika Pika. XRP circulating supplies, 53%. What is the meaning of this? Does it mean that the other 40% is not available to buy? Yes, Claudio, that is exactly what that means. So with 53% of the supply in circulation, that means that the other 47% is not available to buy. Whether it is locked up somewhere or it's not yet issued, or what the reasoning for it is, only 53% is available to purchase. The other 47% is not available to purchase. You're welcome, Hemi Pika. Thank you very much for the green name. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin ETF in 3 to 6 months, says former BlackRock CEO. Well, you know what? That might be the BlackRock ETF coming out, right? But we should have information on the Grayscale ETF much sooner than 3 to 6 months. I forget what the exact date was, but it was maybe 2 weeks ago that the judge made the decision that the SEC has to come up with their ruling on Grayscale's ETF in the next 45 days. So it may be somewhere near the end of October or very beginning of November that we see a decision on the Grayscale ETF. The SEC originally denied it, and the court said, we don't like the reasoning you gave for denying it, because the SEC basically said, well, we want to deny it because we want to deny it. Something, you know, your teenage kid would tell you. So the court said they either got to come up with a legitimate reason to deny the spot ETF or approve it. So we could have some Bitcoin ETFs coming out sooner than the 3 to 6 month time frame, and I hope we do, man. I hope we do. But if the SEC denies Grayscale, it doesn't mean it's the end of the road or end of the line for all spot ETFs. Clearly, we got BlackRock and plenty of other players out there. It's raining in Indiana. It's not yet raining in Ohio. Look my car up on TikTok for a second. King Lexus 05. It's my race car. I don't have TikTok on this other phone here, so I have to look it up on the one that I am using for the camera right here. I'm going to try to remember King Lexus 05 to be able to use that. What happens if it reaches 0? It goes to the moon? Well, no. So it's not going to, the circulating supply is not going to reach 0. But yes, theoretically, the less and less, and it depends on why. Okay, it depends on why a circulating supply is out there. So let me show you one, for example. If we could pull this up here. Jasmine is a very good example of a circulating supply. Right now, the circulating supply on Jasmine is 97.88%. Almost all of the coins have been issued. You're at 48 billion, 48.9 billion out of a total of 50 billion Jasmine. Now, you look at these prices way back here, and unfortunately, you can't graph circulating supply on CoinMarketCap. I wish you could, but the circulating supply was much, much, much lower back here. How do we know? If you look at the overall market cap, the market cap in November of 2021 was $1.3 billion. The price in November of 2021 was 20 cents. Okay? And the current market cap is $162 million. So you would essentially 10x to equal this price right here. Well, the 10x increase only gets you to 3 cents. So the circulating supply way back here was roughly 6 times less than what you're seeing right now. So when a circulating supply is lower, yes, the price is higher. When a circulating supply is increasing and more coins are being introduced to the market, this is what you have. A massively declining price. Now, it might be okay because it depends on how they're issuing those coins. If they're airdropping you those coins or giving you those coins because you hold them, you already hold them, so they're just increasing your holdings, well, of course, you're going to be offset. You're going to see more coins in your wallet, the price is down, but your overall value stays the same. If they're selling those coins or introducing those coins to the market and you're not the one holding them, you're just going to be seeing a declining price. So it doesn't necessarily mean that a 0 circulating supply goes to the moon. There's probably never going to be a circumstance where there's 0 circulating supply. It would just be a very, very small number, not actually 0. Any thoughts on Internet Computer? Internet Computer's been around for a while, William, but I've never followed Internet Computer. I'm pretty sure it's down heavy from the all-time highs. It's ICP, right? All right, so its market cap is currently at 1.3 billion. Its max supply is infinity, and we have watched it go from $400 a coin to $3 a coin. We've watched its market cap go from 50 billion down to 1 billion. So this is a major drop, and this coin could essentially more than 50x to get back up to its all-time highs there. but the price is down drastically, near 100x decline, a little over 100x decline, 99+% losses in internet computer. Look, this is 2021 was a phenomenal year for crypto, but internet computer has basically seen nothing but losses. That's the only thing that would make me a little bit skeptical about internet computer. I don't know what they do, so I don't know, if there would be any fundamental legitimate reasons for it to rise in price, but I just know that the price action alone, that coin has been destroyed. Oh, and I'm thinking about it right now, talking about price action. I was talking to my dad last night, and this is completely unrelated, but it's funny. So I want to know if any of you guys have ever bought anything off of Temu. Okay, so I'm helping my dad put a roof rack on one of the Jeeps he just got, and he's got this cool shirt, man. He's got this cool shirt. It's got the Punisher logo on it, faded out with the flag essentially. It's got a nice American flag on the shoulder, and then on this shoulder it says "United We Stand." I thought that was pretty sweet. And then I'm like, oh, it's a cool shirt, Dad. And he's like, yeah, you know what it says? I said, yeah, it says United We Stand. And then he goes, no, dude, read it. It says Unitao We Stano. Instead of putting a D in there, they put O's in there. It says Unitao We Stano. And I'm like, oh, okay, now I understand that you got that off Temu, and it was completely misspelled, and it makes the shirt that much funnier. So if any of you guys have ever ordered anything off Temu, please let us know about it, because I thought that was dead hilarious that it says Unitao We Stano. I don't know if that's like the Chinese version of United We Stand. I don't know if that's the Spanish version, Unitao We Stano. But I died laughing, man. Because, the D is so close to an O. I was like, oh, well, maybe United We Stand. I'm on the Jeep, and he's over there in the yard. I'm looking at it, and he's like, no, dude, it says Unitao We Stano. Oh, God, it was hilarious. 105 here today. My gosh. Clay, will there be a Shib ETF? Giovanni, eventually. So right now, ETFs in the stock market, you can literally buy an ETF on anything. Gold, silver, wood, corn, whatever commodity you want to think of. You can buy ETFs that track the weather, man. Weight loss. You can buy ETFs of all sorts. As long as we get spot Bitcoin, that's the first one they're going to be going for, is a spot Bitcoin ETF. And then it's going to be maybe altcoin ETFs where you can buy a bundle of cryptocurrencies. Same way you could buy a bundle of stocks in the tech sector or whatever sector you want. You'll be able to buy altcoins. You'll be able to buy a meme coin ETF. Once they start to get the regulatory approval, yes. And there probably will be just a Shib ETF that tracks the price of Shiba Inu coin. But you're going to be seeing ETFs that allow you to diversify. Top 10 crypto ETFs, actively managed to always have the top 10 cryptos in them. Top altcoins, meme coin section, AI coin section. There will be a lot of cryptocurrency ETFs over the coming, I can't say year. I don't know how long it'll take. It'll probably take a while because they've been trying for a very long time to get Bitcoin ETFs accepted. And I think that, it's going to accelerate once they finally do get the Bitcoin ETF accepted. But I don't know the time frame. Let's see. Dangmoji 62 here. It's currently 75 degrees and cloudy. Some coins I own have zero market cap and volume, but still has dollar value to them. Roulette wheel, man. That part I don't know unless it's just frozen at the last price. Right? I don't know how they would have zero market cap, but unless the data is just frozen to the last price. Let's just say the SEC play patty cake and keeps up the play period until they realize it's inevitable. The crypto market is where planet Earth plans on being in cyberspace. Inside Treasure 2025. Chris, I'm not 100% sure that I followed that, but I do think the SEC is going to continue playing patty cake for quite some time, and they're going to be giving institutions as much time as they need to jump into the game and rule the space. And the SEC wants to govern it like the mafia that they are. With Shibarium being liars and Shib burn, will Bone be successful? Giovanni, in my world, no. Okay? In my world, no. I tend to be a lot less lenient on people who deceive and thieves. Okay? I can't stand them, and I don't want to be around them. But I've noticed something, man. People, they don't seem to care about integrity these days. And if they buy an asset, you can use AMC, for example, right? AMC's price action is definitely lousy. But there's a group of people that are committed to believing even lies. So I believe a Bone community will always be around, and Satoshi supporters will always be around. I just don't think that if something is trying to be built on lies, that it's going to be successful. So my guess would be no, but it's just a guess. Time for an ad, old rounded bro. Thank you very much for reminding me that it is time for an ad, guys. Let me know if you just got one or not. Unitao we stano. Exactly, Combo. Unitao we stano. It's exactly right, Pika. That's the Temu for you. Sounds like some of my crap coins. Claybro, how do you feel about exchanges? Do you have wallets on exchanges or cold wallets? I don't have any cold wallets in the sense of like a Trezor or Ledger or anything in terms of little wallets like this, you know, that you would be able to hold and take somewhere. I do have a split between wallets on exchanges. The only one I've got a few. I've got some Tether on KuCoin still that I'm just holding there, not trading because I can't trade since I'm in the United States. I have assets on Crypto.com, but then I also have assets on Trust Wallet, and I do have a little bit on Coinami, which is still just decentralized wallet. So yeah, I've got a mix between both. I don't have any of the cold storage wallets, but I do have Trust Wallet, and I've got Crypto.com. But I don't mind. Exchanges are nice. In Crypto.com seems to get a lot less attention than any of the other exchanges that people... What happened to what is going on? Where did my camera go? The heck? Well, that's bizarre. Alright, hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Back in action, man. I don't know what happened there. That was weird, but we are back right now. Do I still have hope to buy Polygon at 50 cents? Claudio, let's see where Polygon is at, because I really don't know. Sorry, SEC, it will be a good thing for you. Once you take a deep breath and get a grip, cryptocurrency will be solid. SEC, you won't continue to slip. I hope not. Are you talking during ads? Giovanni. Quite possibly, but if I'm talking during ads, it's usually asking you, because I don't know how long the ads are, but it's usually asking you if you got an ad. So if you miss that, basically all I said. Cedarwood says no ad. Hamilef, no ad. Giovanni apparently had an ad. At Hem, which one is it? Something. I might have missed something. Exchanges are needed for crypto, but not for everybody. For instance, a miner whose parents owned crypto and passed away, there would need to be an exchange to manage those assets for the miner. Wouldn't you say exchanges for the average investor who is capable to manage their own crypto shouldn't have it on exchanges? That defeats the purpose of decentralization. Not nice. Yes. So, look, and no, I don't think that it has anything to do with being a minor or being 18 years of age. I think it has everything to do with cashing out to fiat. You need a centralized exchange in order to cash out to fiat. That is the only necessity for a centralized exchange. Why? KYC. They're not going to let you get US dollars unless you're on a centralized exchange. So if you want to transact solely in cryptocurrency, 100% decentralization, man, go for it. If you want to trade or turn it back into money, then I think you need a centralized exchange. And I don't have a problem with that, right? I don't have a problem with if it's the government's currency. If you're trying to trade back for dollars, I don't have a problem with the government knowing about those dollars. If you want to keep it in crypto, though, I don't think it's any of their business if you own a virtual currency. I don't think it's any of their business if you own gold in World of Warcraft so that you can go and you can buy a new mount. I don't think it's any of their business how much gold you have in World of Warcraft. Also, don't think it's any of their business how much Ethereum you're sitting on, right? It's not their currency. It's not theirs. Those are my thoughts on it. But that's the decentralized exchanges versus the centralized exchanges. Let's look really quick at Polygon. Matic. Is it going to be able to pick it up for 50 cents? I believe so, but we are currently at 54 cents. And coming down pretty hard today. So, yeah, Claudio, man. If you're looking at Polygon reaching back down to 50 cents, we've had a very nice week here. But you can already tell the ascending trend line of this week has been broken. It's been broken to the downside and could absolutely be on its way back down to 50 cents. The 50-cent mark on the month is a very strong level of support. On the year, it's still a very strong level of support. And on the all-time graph, you're still looking at 45 to 50 cents being a very strong level of support. The only thing that I would watch out for, man, is if for some reason Polygon drops below 40 cents, I would be very, very cautious about it going back down to 3 cents. Okay? It ran so quickly in 2021 that I would be very skeptical of any decline below this major level of support at 40 cents. Hit back here in 2021 and hit back here in 2021. But 50, I do believe you'll be seeing 50s again. Clearo had my numbers wrong. Coney dividend is $1.20 per share. Dude, $1.20 per share on a $19 stock is phenomenal, man. You guys should go check that one out, man. At this point, $10, and I'm extremely happy. Michael Bono, man, I might have missed something. Sorry about that. Let's see. Same here, but XRP is going to be the coin of this next bull market. It very well could be, Lonnie. Oh, you guys are talking about XRP reaching $10. Pff, only every day. Only every day. All right, I know I missed. Oh, Dark, are you hacking him again for the first? Oh, yeah. Now I know what he's talking about. My camera going on. Got it. What happened to NFTs? No one is talking about them anymore. Too many NFTs now. Yeah, Giovanni. It's interesting for NFTs, right? So NFTs were obscenely popular in 2021. And basically all of them have lost all of their value, right? Now they're obscenely unpopular. One of the major problems that they had was their popularity caused them to rise to prices so high that they were extremely illiquid. Couldn't sell them. What could you do with them? You got a Bored Ape Yacht Club that's worth $250,000, but who's got $250,000 to buy it? Exactly. So it was very, very difficult to even sell your NFTs at the peak of the market. Now that they've declined so much in value, the question is, was it a fad or will it make a comeback? If you look at the crypto space, people said the exact same thing about Bitcoin when Bitcoin ran to 20,000 and then dropped back down to 3,000. Nobody wanted it. Nobody wanted Bitcoin in 2018, 2019, 2020. And then everybody wanted it in 2021. So I don't know if NFTs have died out. I don't know if NFTs are going to kind of shift their utility from funny little profile pictures to something much better. But I know that people said the same thing about Bitcoin dying, and Bitcoin certainly did not die. So I don't know if NFTs will or not. XRP to $10. Let's get started. XRP price prediction year end. Not exactly sure, but I do believe $10 is doable. How's Ethereum today? Ethereum's actually getting hit, man. Almost back down to 1,500. Ethereum's down 2% to 1613 right now. And if you look at the hourly chart, it's fell through or fallen through some major support at this 1630 level, touching 1614 right now. So below this current level that it's at, you've got a lot of support down here at like 1580, 1590, and then below that 1527 again. So Ethereum taking a pretty big hit from 1750 all the way down to 1614 at the moment, and it doesn't necessarily seem to be stopping. Next support right here at about 1590 is what I'd be looking at from 1660. But it's crypto taking a big hit over the last 2 hours, guys. It looked beautiful this morning and then just hit a brick wall and is turning back over. So not exactly sure which direction it's headed right now. We might get a little bit of a bounce on Bitcoin at like 27,300. If we don't, we could be watching. Gosh, dude, I do not want Shib to test 700. That is a dangerous level for Shiba Inu coin. Clear Road, he wants some help designing merch. Pika Power has been doing an excellent job. Pika's got a couple designs out there. I just need to find the time to set the store up, man. But yeah, I don't mind. Here's what I wouldn't want to. I don't want a store that's got like 50, 60 different designs in it or anything. I do want to keep them relatively basic, but dude, I'm always willing to accept new ideas and willing to accept contributions. So Dark Bro, man, if you got time and you want to do something, absolutely. If not, please don't worry about it. Probably gonna get some competition this upcoming bull run, Malcolm. That it does, dude. Pika, J-Bo! It's look at AAVE Old Rounder, yes. Have 100,000 XRP, wondering, will you do more XRP videos, or are you not bullish on it? Michael, so I am very bullish on XRP. There's a chance. Look, I'll say this. Terra Luna Classic videos have been doing terribly over the last couple of weeks, and I feel like a lot of people might be leaving Terra Luna Classic and moving over into things like XRP. I am very bullish on Ripple as a company. I know XRP is going to have its growing pains, and I know it's a centralized crypto, so it's not a decentralized coin, but it serves a very great purpose. So yes, I could absolutely do more videos on XRP. Here's the thing about doing videos, right? When you do videos on something, even if you really like it, even if you're bullish on it, no matter what, if you try to infiltrate a community, these communities are very closed off. So anytime I do a video on XRP, I do get a lot of people saying, "Who the heck is this guy? What is he know? This guy doesn't know anything about XRP." So you kind of got to like walk in the door one step at a time as opposed to just jumping right in, because people feel very, very protective of who they watch and what people are discussing their coins and stuff like that. So no, I am very bullish, and I could increase the XRP content. Yes. I like making videos on XRP, and I like Ripple. Hey, Poland Pudgy, ignore on me, Moji, never, man, never. Moji, $50 bag or 50-pound bag of rice, $50 at Tractor Supply. There you go, man. Get it. I'll let him see it for himself. Something. Fall below 700, so I can buy a lot. If it falls below 700, watch out for 500. Hemi Life. He'll get back to you in about a year. Dark. If Pika is already working on it, I'm sure she's got it covered. If you ever need help, just let me know. Get back to you in about a year. Now Pika, how many espressos did Pika have this morning? Now I need to know. Pika Power. Thank you very much for this. Oh my God, Dark Bro, you guys, back to back, man, back to back. Oh, Dark Bro again. I actually dislike Just Jeff the most out of all of these because doing this stupid one after that flying one is the hardest part. I can't see, man. Oh. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Just Jeff, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat authorized some hydration last Friday. And I'm taking some of that authorized hydration. Yes, roulette wheel. Yes, roulette wheel authorizing some more hydration right now. Thank you, roulette wheel. Thank you, roulette wheel. Thank you, roulette wheel, for the authorized hydration. Oh my gosh. All right, we're back. We're back. All right, perfect. Happened to me once. Only it went down. Something. Kombu. I don't know what we're talking about there. Just Jeff, Dark Bro, Pika, roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chats. And I promise you guys, if you don't know how to get a hold of Nick F, figure out how to get a hold of Nick F, because when you guys throw 3 out in a row like that, that's like 2 minutes or 3 minutes of straight exhaling. And that's not easy to do. So thank you very much. Not going to hit him with a 4th? No, don't hit me with a 4th. That's just crazy. Feels a little light. Dude, you guys have no idea. Like, towards the end of a normal one, I start to picture myself on, going for a magic carpet ride. I'm in a whole new world when that happens. When you guys hit me with, I just want to fall asleep when you hit me with those things and then I lay upside down in the chair. I just want to fall asleep. So yeah, I would say lightheaded for sure. Sorry, Clay. Pika, look what you started. Look what you started. Oh, Dark. Dark Bro. Thank you very much. Dude, I swear I'm tired. And I'm not even tired. I'm just actually tired right now. Dark Bro. Dude, Just Jeff is gonna get Just Jeff, thank you very much for the oh gosh. Mr. Norma says, do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Oh, like a diamond. Mr. Normus, thank you very much for the super chat. Just Jeff, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, thank you very much for trying to kill me. Pika, thank you very much for starting this. And I am still alive, ladies and gentlemen. I am here. Next time, record it, replay it. We live in an internet age. Dang it. Roulette wheel, that's not a bad idea, man. You guys could be doing that all day and you wouldn't even know. But then, of course, if you do it all day and I don't pass out, something's going to be wrong there. Oh, gosh. Pika, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. So I knew somebody was going to come in and save my life. You see, the authorized hydration actually gives me a time to breathe as well. Because when you exhale like that, it's not normal breathtaking. It's not normal breathtaking activity. So the authorized hydration gives me just like 10 seconds to calm down a little bit, get wet the whistle, as they say, and continue moving forward. I love it. Afternoon Live should be 1 hour of flying. Dude, if it was a full straight hour of flying, I know for a fact, if it was, that would take about probably 60 full super chats like that. And I don't know if I can handle it. I really don't know if I can handle 60 back-to-back flying super chats. I'd probably have to take a break in there. that would just, oh my gosh. But buck up, Claudio, yes. Even Wim Hof would be impressed with that breath work. I don't know who that is, Kombu, but thank you very much. I sense you will get another. No, I don't think we're going to get another one right now. It'll be all right. With Wall Street memes, total supply being 2 billion and the price being at 5 cents, but see none in circulation. Once they are in circulation, will this price drop or rise? Curious because I want to buy. Giovanni, man. Oh, gosh. Pika's manifesting this, and I know she is. Pika's over there laughing right now. Yeah, I knew she was over there laughing. Pika's over there laughing right now because she's manifesting this stuff. Giovanni, I want to answer that question because I think the price will go down, but I'll talk a little bit more about it after I say Moji. Thank you very much for the super chat. You guys are trying to kill me. Oh, yeah. Dude, if I had one of those big wooden mallets, like they do in the cartoons, like Tom and Jerry has, I would definitely be chasing Just Jeff around right now, man. Trying to hit him with one of those big wooden mallets, man. With the long handle. Oh, God. This dude, man, this dude's sitting there. This dude is sitting there. Oh, Dark Bro. Oh, Dark Bro. I don't understand why you guys gotta do this to me. I know Just Jeff is sitting there like this right now. He sees one of those things come across, and he's like, I'm gonna try and kill this guy. I'm gonna try and end him right now. Just Jeff, I don't know what your ulterior motive is, man, but I know you got one, and you're coming after me with it. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Pika, thank you very much for starting this nonsense. Pika, good job! Pika, good job! Pika, good job! Pika, you know what you did? You did a really good job! Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm still alive. It's going to take a little bit more to get rid of me, guys. Oh, my goodness. Let me address Giovanni's question really quick. Because, Giovanni, look at Jasmine, for an example, and look at a lot of these other coins. The more and more and more coins that are introduced to the market, the lower and lower and lower the price is going to go. Now, I do not know who gets those coins. Okay, I don't know if they're already claimed because of the pre-sale and then they become unlocked and that's what puts them into circulation. But yes, as soon as those coins come into circulation, one of two things is going to happen. or becomes unlocked, I should say, one of two things is going to happen. They're either going to be staked and kept out of circulation, and your price gets supported. And you're going to be able to see, it continually hit those levels or increase. If it hits the market, however, okay, if those coins they hit the market and they are sold once they are unlocked, that's when you're going to see the price decline and decline and decline. So I don't know everything about Wall Street meme. So if all of the coins were sold during the pre-market event and or pre-listings and all of that, then you are very likely to see a decline in price as more and more are unlocked. If it's some sort of a reward token, in that sense, you could see price continue to rise as long as people don't sell as soon as they're unlocked. Moji, Moji, thank you very much for the Yeah, dude. Somebody needs to give me that mallet. Somebody needs to give me that giant wooden mallet, because now I'm going to hit Dark Bro and Just Jeff right in the head with it. Dark Bro! No, Just Jeff! Oh, gosh. Oh. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Thank you very much, Just Jeff. Thank you very much, Roulette Wheel, for the beautiful little green orb. Roulette Wheel for the beautiful little green orb. Roulette Wheel for the beautiful little green orb. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the super chat. Just Jeff, Dark Bro, somebody, I'm going to get one of these mallets, man, and I'm going to be chasing you guys around. If you had a person riding on a wooden horse, you'd be doing that a lot. I want to see it. Are you talking like one of those little, the sticks, and it's like, one of the, oh my gosh. Roulette Wheel! Oh my gosh, he comes to my rescue. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Oh yeah. Now that's some good one. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby! He knows what time it is, but Pika does not know what time it is. She says, give me some of that king cow. You got it. I'm channeling my best inner cow right here. I'm picturing a cow on a farm. Moo. 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 I can do this. What do they say? They say, moo, 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 moo. I promise you guys can't do a legitimate cow without going moo. Cows don't go moo. No, they don't. There's a difference to them, man. It's deeper than that. And you guys know it is. You're just afraid to try it. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys very much for all of the super chats. It is after 1:05. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back this afternoon. Sincerely appreciate all of you guys, man. Just Jeff, even though I know you're trying to kill me, thank you. Pika, thank you very much for starting it. Dark Bro, thank you very much for all of the flying. Moji, thank you. Roulette Wheel, all of you guys. Absolutely appreciate all the super chats today. Even though I know you're trying to get rid of me, I still appreciate them because I'm here to stay, man. We got shout outs to Moji, Dark Bro, Just Jeff, Pika, Just Jeff, Moji, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Just Jeff, man. Roulette Wheel, Pika Power. Boom, baby, Crypto Rocketeer. We got Pika Power, Roulette Wheel, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez Reyes, man. Moji, see you later. Pika Power. I love that King Cow as well. Chris, man, what's up to you? And see you later. See you this afternoon. Genji, later, bro, fam. Later, Genji. We got Claudio, Ate Mais Claudio. See you later, my friend. Roulette Wheel, Moo. Translation, don't eat me. Exactly. Please don't eat me either. Moji, see you later, man. Clay, look, you're playing in fantasy football. Is it you? Am I going to win? Am I finally going to get my first win this week? Moji, love it, man. Kombu, see you later. Adios, amigos. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nope. Nope. Oh, just nope. I thought we were leaving, and Just Jeff said, well, dude, sit down, grab a chair. Let's stay a while. All right, Just Jeff. Just Jeff is taking over the show now, since he said it's not time to leave, man. Just Jeff will be taking over the show from here on out, so we'll just be sitting here and waiting for Just Jeff. Oh, he didn't mean to do it. He said, whoops. He didn't mean to do it. All right. Since he didn't mean to do it, we can still get the shout-outs going on. Chris, man, enjoy your day. Genji, see you later. We've got Roulette Wheel, Moji, Kombu, Pika Power, Pudgy, Just Jeff, Pudgy, Pika Power, Just Jeff, Moji, Pika Power, Just Jeff, Dark Bro, Never Igno. All of you guys, man. Roulette Wheel, Jose, what's going on? No igno, never igno. All of you guys. Crypto Cone Raul, Giovanni. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Jesus. Let's see if we can kill this dude today. Let's do it. You guys try laying upside down in your chair right now. I don't care if you're at the office, if you're at home, no matter where you are. Just try sitting in it upside down. But then try sitting in it upside down after you're lightheaded already, and it makes it that much harder. Moji, thank you very much for this super chat. We got shout-outs to Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Jose, man, Pika Power, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez Reyes, Giovanni, Moji, Just Jeff, Pika Power, Crypto Cone. All of you guys know what time it is. Actually, some of you I don't think you do. But if you want to say it with me, I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.